almost looks like a desert landscape sometimes out here. The wind is blowing and drifting, and the camera wouldn't start fast enough for me to catch it. But anyway, hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We have been on a road trip today and got something special for the homestead. Let me take you on over and show you. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I have just joined an exclusive club of Harbor Freight Sawmill owners. This is absolutely exciting. Almost new, nearly new, and was never in the weather, always under a shed, always covered. It was a job to get it on the truck. We took apart the tracks and got it on here. The guy figures it's only got 20 hours on it and still has the engine break-in oil in it that came with it from the manufacturer out of the box. So I'll just keep an eye on that oil, and if I start to see some metal particles, then it'll be time to change that. You change your first oil early. So this engine is not even broke in yet. This is that new, guys. And I got a deal of the century. So I am very pleased. This is the real thing. It is like new. And I don't know how to get it off my truck. Yeah, it's heavy. My tires are squashed. I don't know if you can see that. My tires are squashed. It's heavy, heavier than I thought. So I'm going to spend some time trying to figure this out and see what it will take to get it off the truck so I can use my truck again. Oh, it wasn't so bad. The tracks I handled alone, slid off the truck. I took the engine off, picked that up, and then Melanie and I slid the mill itself off onto a pallet. We skidded it through the snow just like a sled on its bottom rail. And the rollers are up high, so they never came in contact with anything. I'm gonna tarp this down good, and then I've got to figure out where I'm putting it, and clean out the mill yard for it, where it's gonna stay. Now there it is. There's a Harbor Freight Sawmill home, and settled in. I got the tracks over here, just sitting here against the tree. 2 pieces. I've got all the accessories and everything in the truck. I'll take them into the garage and put them up for now. And I got a real, fully functioning, complete, almost new bandsaw mill. Well, that'll be one of my briefest videos ever, but it's one of my most exciting videos. This is the real deal. This fires up and runs. You can tell there's hardly any use on that engine. Brand new. Well, very brief. Please like this video and subscribe and share, and I'll talk to you guys later. Now I can do saw some wood to make some lumber for real this time. No problems. No big engines, no big tractors, no big machines, all in one compact and ready to roll. Can't wait till spring.